A wire of resistance R is bent into a triangular pyramid as shown in figure, with each segment having same length. The resistance between points A and B is R by N, the value of N is. So the equivalent resistance between A and B is R by N. So we have to find the value of N. Now the total resistance of these wires is R. Let's say each has the same length, so each wire has the same resistance, let's say R1. So each of these resistances have the same value, let's say R1. So R1, R1. So each have the same resistance, that is the total length is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, 6 equal parts, and each have the resistance R1. So total resistance 6 R1, and the total resistance is also given as R. So R1 is basically R by 6. Now rearrange this circuit. Let's say this point is C and this point is D. We have to find the equivalent resistance between the points A and B. So let's assume this is the point A and this is point B, and say it is C and it is D. So now connect the dots, that is resistance between A to C there is a resistance R1. So between A and C there is a resistance R1. Now between A and D there is a resistance this one. So A and D also a resistance, A and D also resistance R1. Now between B and C, so B and C has this resistance R1. So B and C has resistance R1, and B and D, this resistance is again R1. So B and D is again R1, and between C and D is also R1, C and D. So C and D is also R1, and another resistance between A and B. So between A and B is R1. So each has the value R1. Now we can see that this is a pure Wheatstone bridge circuit. So this is P, resistance Q, R, S, and each has the value R1, that is P by Q is R1 by R1 1, and R by S is also 1, that is the potential at C and the potential at D is same. So the current will not flow through this resistance between C and D. So we will neglect this resistance while calculating the equivalent resistance. That is, now if we draw again that is from A to B there is a resistance 1 and 2, that is R1 plus R1, 2 R1. So R1 plus R1, that is 2 R1. So it goes to point B, from A to point B is 2 R1. Another from ADB, that is ADB is R1 plus R1, again 2 R1. So again 2 R1. And another directly A to B through this resistance R1. So another resistance is R1. So now 2R1, R1 and 2R1 are in parallel. So equivalent resistance between AB, that is R1 by RAB, is equal to 1 by 2R1 plus 1 by 2R1 plus 1 by R1. So this is equal to 1 by 2R1 plus 1 by 2R1, that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R1 is equal to 2 by R1. So RAB is equal to RAB, that is RAB is equal to R1 by 2. Now the value of R1 is R by 6, we already find. So this is R by 6, so R by 12. And in the given question it is said that the equivalent resistance between A and B is R by N. So we can clearly see that N is equal to 12. N equal to 12. So here the correct answer is option 2, that is the value of N is 12. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.